Hello, my name's James Hughes, Chief Market Analyst here at Scope Markets. US markets closed in positive territory in the end on Wednesday evening, but that was most definitely not the whole story. US equities recorded their first back-to-back gains in more than a month as US legislators worked to finalise an emergency stimulus bill to provide a $2 trillion relief for taxpayers and businesses struggling with the effects of the coronavirus. The benchmark S&P 500 index closed up a little over 1.2% on Wednesday, following Wall Street's best day in more than a decade on Tuesday. However, stocks traded much higher earlier in the session, before a row over provisions on unemployment benefits threatened to delay the vote even further after the deal was only agreed in the early hours of Wednesday morning. There may have been some upside in financial markets over the last couple of days, but investors are still deeply skeptical over whether markets have actually hit their bottom yet, or whether we are just in a brief pause before further extended fall. The global coronavirus case count has now surpassed 424,000 people, with nearly 19,000 dying from the infection. And there was escalations around the world in terms of lockdown, as India locked down their entire 1.4 billion population. And the situation in the US also worsened, especially in New York. Thursday's sessions will be one that is, of course, dominated by the coronavirus, but also has an aspect of macroeconomic data running through it. The Bank of England will hold its interest rate decision meeting where, of course, we don't expect to see further rate cuts, but we will focus on the comments made by Andrew Bailey, the new governor. In the US, we'll also look towards the initial jobless claims and the US GDP readings. Now, it would usually be the GDP which gains all the attention. However, now this is a lagging indicator, showing only Q4 data, a quarter that didn't see any coronavirus impact. The initial jobless claims will be the complete opposite to that, though, as the weekly jobs numbers are expected to show a record amount of new claimants as the crisis continues to hit the jobs market.